My dear technician, welcome back to my new video. Today, I'm very excited. One of my followers sent this phone all the way from Port Harcourt City to my place here in Idoran, Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. My dear technician, according to him, he told me that this phone is not booting. My dear technician, I'm going to fix the phone live here for you guys to see how you can be able to fix any iPhone, not just this phone. Any phone, any iPhone, any type of phone. Okay? Without time wasted, let me start and show you how to fix it. My dear technician, the first thing here is to remove the bolt. The second thing is to put some chemicals to weaken the adhesive. My dear technician, but since there's no bolts and there's no adhesive gum around the screen, so I'll move forward and carry up the screen. My dear technician, you may ask why there's no bolt and why there's no adhesive. This is because I worked on this phone many times, and the technician that worked on this phone before, I don't know whether he forgot to put the bolt and the adhesive and every other thing, okay? But anyway, that's not the main case. The main case here is to make the phone work. So let me move forward. Check this out. Make sure you get small tools like this, then use it to carry up the screen. You have to be very careful. Please do not apply so much force. Once you carry the screen and you see a little space, please put your tools and then do the way that you're seeing me doing in this video. Okay, take your time to do it. Check this out. You can see I'm done opening the phone. Check the inside. My dear technician, let me remove the screen socket cover before I disconnect the battery. Okay, check this out. Let me take my time to do this. Check this out. I will be done. If you have question, you can let me know. Okay, if you have question, you want to ask me anything at all, you can let me know. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. You have to be very careful. Take your time to do this. Please be very careful. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Check this out. My dear technician, so the next thing now is for me to disconnect the battery. So take your time to do this. Disconnect the battery and then disconnect the screen. But before I disconnect, I will not use my fingernails. I have a tools here that I will use for this. Okay, so let me use these tools. If you don't have it, just get it. It's not costly. Just get it so that you'll be using it to fix iPhone, and not just iPhone, any type of phone. Okay, take your time to do this. Be very careful. Take your time to do this. Check this out. I'll be done. Make sure that you disconnect everything. Check this out. So let me just keep the screen in one place and then go deeply and check. My dear technician, the first thing I will check if voltage is flowing in or not. It is very important for you to check if voltage is flowing in or not. The second thing is the battery. Okay, I will check the battery after I check whether voltage is flowing in or not. So check this out. I just turn on my multimeter. Now let me test to see if voltage is flowing in. Check this out. You can see it's reading 5 something. That means voltage is flowing in. Check this out. I read in reverse to see. Check this out. You can see the reading is very good. The reading is good. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. The reading is not bad. Check this out. Check this out. Okay, so after checking the battery connector to see if voltage is flowing in or not, you can see that nothing is really wrong with the phone. Now let me check the battery. You can see that voltage is 000. That means there's no voltage in the battery. You can see there's no single voltage in the battery. Something is wrong with the battery. Something is wrong with the battery. There's no voltage. Now let me connect charger to see if the phone will charge the battery. You can see the downboard socket. Check this out. So let me connect. Check this out. I just connect right now. And let me see if voltage will flows into the battery. But before that, let me test the output voltage. My dear technician, please wait so that I will test it for you guys to see. Please wait. I want to be sure that it is not from charging. I see. Check this out. Check this out. We have 2 something. We have 2.34. My dear technician, this means that the charging IC is working. My dear technician, since there's an output voltage, so let me connect the battery to see if it will charge. Check this out. Just connect the battery now to see if it will charge. Please wait. Please wait. I want you guys to see the proof if it will charge. Please wait. Please, my dear technician, just wait. Okay, now let me disconnect and test. Check this out. Let me see if there's small voltage now. Check this out. If there's no voltage, I will go deeply. Check the battery. Check this out. Still zero. Something is wrong with the battery. The battery of this phone is a problem why this phone is no more working. The battery is the problem of this phone. My dear technician, the battery is the problem of this phone. Check this out. According to the owner, he told me that they have not changed the battery before, and I will open it now for you guys to see whether they have changed it or not. So let me put my chemical so that I will weaken the gum. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question, you can let me know. If you have any question at all, you can let me know. Okay? You can let me know. Check this out. My dear technician, so let me keep it for a while and then carry the phone later and then remove the battery. Check this out. I will be done. If you have any question, you can let me know. If you have any question at all, you can let me know. Okay, so let me carry the battery now after a while. Check this out. Check this out. Check this out. You can see. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see that the chemical was everywhere here and the gum is finally weakened. You can see that they have not changed this battery before, that this is the follow-com battery that comes with the phone. Check this out, my dear technician. So let me put it in my poster and post it and see if it will work. Let me put it and post it. I just pray let the battery work. If not working, I'm going to let the owner know so that the owner will send money and I will get a new battery and fix it. My technician is showing here that it's charging. You can see 3.7. It's showing here that it's charging with about 1 amp, which is normal. My technician, so let me wait for the battery to charge. Check this out. You can see the voltage is going up, it's going down. Something is wrong. Anyway, I'm still waiting to see if the battery is charging. You can see I try all my best to make sure that the battery charge. At the end, still not working, my dear technician. The battery sometimes show charging, sometimes you can see now that it's not even charging again. It's showing 4.7, meaning that the battery is fully charged, but there's no voltage when I unplug. My dear technician, so the next thing now, I will disconnect the battery from the battery booster and open the battery BMS and then connect wire to boost it to see if it will come up. Just want to try and see if it will come up. So let me do that now. Check this out. So let me do that. If you have question, you can let me know, please. Check this out. I will be done. So let me open the battery BMS and then check if there's any way that I can fix this. Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. I'm still working on it. Check this out. Let me check the battery BMS. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question, you can let me know. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. Check Check this out. I will be done. Check this out. So let me test with my multimeter to see if there is voltage. This one I'm testing the direct battery, not the output from the battery BMS. I want to see if there is any voltage inside the battery. Check this out. So here we have 1.1 volt, which is very, very bad. The cells of this battery is no more working. Check this out, 1.1 volt is very, very bad. So let me try and boost it to see if it will work. Check this out. If you have questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Like I said before, you can let me know. My dear technician, check this out. I boost it directly to see if it will work. Now you can see we have 2 point something volt. The voltage is increasing. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question, let me know. Okay, if you have any question. So after boosting direct, let me plug. Now you can see we have 3.6 volts now. So this battery is coming back to life. You can see before it was not even showing. Now it's showing. So let me fix the head. Check this out and then put in the phone and try to charge if it will charge. My dear technician, check this out. So let me put it now to see if it will power on the phone. Now we have 3.7 volts in the battery. So let me put to see if it will power on the phone. If not powering, I'll still check. Have a lot of ways to fix any phone at all. Okay, so let me power on to see if it will work. Check this out. First of all, plug charger to see if it will work. Check this out. You can see that the phone boots and turns off. Check this out, my dear technician. Why is the phone on and turning off? This is because of the battery. The battery need to be replaced. Okay, this is because of the battery. The battery need to be replaced. My dear technician, when you see this type of issue, just know that it is from the battery. Okay, this is not from the phone. This is absolutely from the battery. The battery power is not strong anymore. So that's the main reason why this happens, my dear technician. So you don't have to stress yourself. I will let the owner know so that the owner will send me money and I will fix a new battery for him. My dear technician, if you have found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section. Okay, now you can see that after putting the battery booster, you can see that we have 3.3, and I connect charger. You can see there is no more charging. It's not even charging at all. You can see it's supposed to show blue when charging, but this one you can see the amps is 0. It's not charging, but there's voltage in the battery. There's voltage in the battery, but it's not charging. And the technician, the problem is from the battery. The battery is no more working. Check this out. So when you see this type of thing, you don't have to worry. You don't have to start thinking it's from CPU, it's from power IC, it's from this. The problem is just from the battery. Don't just go and start heating up any component you see and you spoil somebody's phone. No, always check. Take your time to check so that you can fix. Okay, you can fix it. That's why they call you technician. Okay, so that you can fix it. Check this out. I'll let the owner know so that the owner will send me money. Then I'll fix a new battery, and that's all. So that this phone will be ready to pick up. Check this out. You can see nothing is wrong with the phone, just that the battery, was a problem of this phone. By the technician, you can see very simple and easy without even going to the, opening the heatsink and checking other component. It's not even from there. From the reading, when I read with my multimeter, you saw everything. Okay, check this out. The problem is from the battery. Check this out. My dear technician, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. I love you all.